Division of surds with binomial surd at the denominator. Examples. Simplify 4 divided by 3 plus root 7. Solution. We have 4 divided by 3 plus root 7. In solving this kind of problem, we can see that we have a binomial surd at the denominator. And now, this binomial surd we have at denominator is an irrational number. Our target now is to ensure that this denominator that is irrational becomes rational. And how can we achieve that? We can achieve this by rationalizing. And how do we rationalize? It means that we are going to rationalize using the conjugate of the denominator to multiply both numerator and the denominator. By rationalization. The conjugate of 3 plus root 7 is what? That's 3 minus root 7. So we are going to use the conjugate to multiply both numerator and the denominator. We now have this to be equals to 4 times 3 minus root 7 divided by what? 3 plus root 7 times 3 minus root 7. This is equals to, we are going to expand bracket at the numerator. The multiplier is 4. 4 times 3, 12. Then this same 4 we multiply minus root 7. So we have minus 4 root 7. Divided by, now look at what we have here. 3 plus root 7 and we have 3 minus root 7. We are going to apply what we call the difference of two squares. Because 3 plus root 7 rather, and 3 minus root 7, they are conjugate of each other. Hence, we need to apply what we call the difference of two squares in multiplying product of conjugate of two binomial surds. So in this case, we have 3 squared minus root 7 squared. And what are we going to have? This will give us 12 minus 4 root 7 divided by what? 3 squared, 9. But the 2 here will go with the square root, take note. So this is minus 7. Then we have 12 minus 4 root 7 divided by what? Divided by 9 minus 7, which is 2. So from here we can split this. We can split this to have a simple surd form. So in this case we have 12 divided by 2. This is equal to 12 divided by 2 minus 4 root 7 divided by 2. You can see they have one denominator here. So we can use the denominator to divide each time at the numerator. So this is equals to 12 divided by 2. We have 6. Minus 2 here 1, 2 here 2. So 6 minus 2 root 7 is the answer. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.